So when I first got started on the internet, everything was automation. 4-hour work weeks, passive income, automate your business and sit back and do nothing. Now, I call nonsense. There was no business on the planet that was really, truly like that was any kind of sustainable or worth doing. However, here in 2024, there are intelligent ways to automate more of your business, and that is exactly what the SamCart integration engine is all about. These kinds of automations allow you to be intelligent about the core processes in your business. And while it might not get you down to a 4-hour work week, intelligent automations like these are going to save you time, keep your customers happy, and get more out of the business that you know and love. And so today, we've got a really exciting brand new integration trigger to tell you all about. It is subscription completed. The subscription completed trigger is all about things like payment plans, where you have 4 payments of blank, or 2 payments of blank, or 12 payments of blank. I'm sure you probably have customers on payment plans for a ton of different things. And now, when someone successfully reaches the end of that payment plan, you can trigger off integration actions in other tools. Right after I demo this, I'll show you 4 cool ways that SamCart customers are using this integration trigger to automate more things, make more money, and grow their customer lifetime value. But first, let's dive into a SamCart account. I'll show you how easy it is to set up these rules. All right, so here we are inside of a SamCart account, and if I were to just go ahead and open up any product, I could come over here to the integrations tab. You see it right up here, and this is where you're going to get to create integration rules for this product. So I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see I have a ton of different integration rules already set up. A lot of them things like sending things off to Facebook Conversions API, integrating with HubSpot, talking to the SamCart Courses app, a lot of different things. But I'll go ahead and create a rule, and I'll say, okay, cool. In what app do I want to take action? And I'll keep it easy. We'll just use our SamCart HubSpot account. And then I'm gonna click what action do I want to take? So I could add to a list, I could remove from a list, I could sync custom properties. Depending on what you're doing, you'll have different actions you could take. So I'll add them to a HubSpot list, and now I'm saying what trigger do I want to use? So is it something inside of SamCart e-commerce or something inside of courses, like someone completing a course or whatever? But in this one, I'm now going to pick in this drop-down list, I have all of these different integration actions, and subscription completed is the new hotness. So we got product purchase, product refunded, prospect created, which is our word for cart abandonment, subscription canceled, subscription charge failed, all kinds of different things. I will go ahead and choose this new subscription completed trigger and go ahead and click next step. And now I'm just choosing what lists that I want to use, right? So I'll click submit, and all of a sudden I have a brand new list or a brand new integration action created. Here it is, subscription completed, go to HubSpot and add them to this list. Just like that, new automation in my business. Every single customer comes in. Once they complete their payment plan, I will be able to fire them off to this list in HubSpot or do whatever else that you want them to do based on the rule you create. And with that covered, let's take a look at some really cool ways that you could use this trigger. Here's some smart automations that we have found out there in our SamCart community. First one here is from the guys at Ship 30 for 30, where they have a challenge that they call Ship 30 for 30. And at the end of that challenge, you are revoking access away from the content. So if you run a challenge and you want to give somebody access to something only for a certain period of time, use the subscription completed trigger, revoke their access after their payment plan is completed. Number 2, why not invite someone to a certification, or invite someone into your coaching, or invite someone into something else to go buy? So Faster Way to Fat Loss, an awesome fitness brand run by Amanda Tresk. So after their front end offer is this 6-week kind of challenge with coaches and things like that, they invite their students to join the paid certification course where they can become their own coach and continue to feed the system that they have that grows this awesome, awesome business. Use the subscription completed trigger, fire off a tag, or add someone to a list that is going to send off some emails that give those students a chance to buy something else. Option number 3, use it as an opportunity to gain testimonials and referrals. And we saw 2 awesome examples from Kevin Chung and Sam Parr, not SamCart sellers, full disclosure, but at the end of a course, why not email your students about leaving a review or invite them to become an affiliate. Use that subscription completed trigger to add a tag or add someone to a list and fire off an email that's going to send them to a feedback form or give them a link to join your affiliate program. You got 2 great examples here. Sam Parr's Copy That course ends with a feedback form. Kevin Chung has an awesome email about affiliates inviting people to become an affiliate if they really enjoyed the training that he provided. And for example number 4, we're going to dip into the physical product world. So this one comes from a brand called SinoCell, awesome SamCart customer. And basically at the end of a payment plan, why not use the subscription completed trigger to fire off emails and communications that says, hey, your supply is running low. Would you like to buy more? And this is something that they sell a ton of, is 3-month supplies and we're going to hit you back to get another 9 or get another 6, right? Re-up that product order if you sell something that you know your customers are consuming and will run out of. So if you want your own email templates that fit these 4 strategies about how you could use the subscription completed trigger to get your audience to buy more stuff, to become affiliates, to leave reviews, there's going to be a link down below this video somewhere. Go check it out. You can download those templates and just change them for whatever it is that you're selling. Plug it in, use the new subscription completed trigger, and fire off those emails to put the right offer in front of the right person at the right time. That is beautiful, awesome, good marketing, and something that was going to serve you very, very well. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.